What's up, guys? I'm going to show you 2 exercises right now that are going to help you not only integrate core strength, but also work on some of your shoulder stability and strength. These are going to be called lifts. So opposite to our chopping motion, now if we just go the opposite way, we're creating lifts. So obviously you can see my shoulders and my arms going through a large range of motion here. And if I have some sort of weight associated with that, obviously in that long lever position, we're going to be working on the rotator cuff and the shoulder strength here. It can also be a mobility exercise depending on how far you're going, but we're going to be doing this 2 ways. One is going to be just with the free weight and the other one's going to be with the band. The difference here is gravity is always pulling down. So depending on wherever my free weight is, that's always the vector that I'm fighting or resisting as I'm going through that excursion. So it changes it ever so slightly, but still very beneficial. Whereas a band, the band tension is always going straight back towards its anchor point. So this allows me to be very specific about the direction that I want to go, but then that directional force that I'm opposing is always in a set position. So while there are similarities, they're also very different. So the band, I simply have a band anchored to a large kettlebell here so it doesn't tip over. From here, I'm going to be kind of anchored towards my pocket. And to start off with, we're not going to be turning and rotating. Here, I'm simply trying to take that band and move it up and across my body. Down, up and across my body. Okay? So again, I'm not just twisting my spine here. Just the arms move. I'm trying to keep my sternum facing forward, and I can feel both sides of the obliques really working hard to stabilize this. Now, the integration would be into adding some movement. I can sit back in this pocket a little bit and then come up and in as I integrate some hip and some thoracic movement with this same exercise. Now, the free weight version could be done standing, oftentimes done in a half kneeling position, where I'm going to be taking a weight here, still pocket, and then coming out. Now, obviously, depending on how heavy of a weight you choose, that will dictate how far away you can keep it, or if you have to move it closer to your body. But again, this feels much different and argumentatively maybe harder on the shoulders because that gravitational pull is always pulling the weight this way, which is what I have to fight. So both are great options to be able to work not only the torso, but also, right, do this one here, the integrity and the strength of the shoulder and the obliques working together to create rotational forces.